Jesus thought of Messiahship in terms of love. Jesus thought of Messiahship in terms of service. And Jesus thought of Messiahship in terms of sacrifice. The people thought of Messiahship in terms of Jewish nationalism. That is why, at the end of the gospel, before the people could proclaim Jesus as the Messiah, Jesus had to educate the people into the real meaning of his mission. And that is a mission of love, a mission of sacrifice, a mission of service. Amen.